Hello, it is Monday, November 9th, and I am not going to be at school today, which I told you guys at the end of last week. Here is a video describing what you should do in class today. So this says period 4 on it, but it will be the same for all periods. So you go to the classwork tab, and you will see a giant bold headline that says Monday 11/9, Ritter is absent, do this. So that is what you are doing today. It is an assignment called America's Voices. It is the second half of what we started last week with the Pear Deck about Langston Hughes. So in that Pear Deck, we went through analyzing his poem and putting it through soapstone. Today, you will be doing that with a different poem by a poet named Julia Alvarez. So it says right here in the directions, you're going to watch the video introduction, read the poem, and answer the questions carefully and thoroughly. So I will open up the document so I can show you what it looks like. Up here is the link for the video introduction. This is the text of the poem. This link here, the YouTube link, will take you to someone reading the poem if you want to hear the audio version of it. And then we have the original text on the left, the Spanish translation on the right. But the original text of the poem does have a lot of Spanish lines in it. So try to read the original text if you can. So down at the bottom, there are a couple of questions. The first one is, what poem or poems is Alvarez connecting to? They are poems we have read in this class within Cycle 8, so if you're not sure, you can look back in your classwork tab. Second question is saying, in the lines that are highlighted in green, what images does she use to talk about the history of people who live in America? And what do you think the purpose of these images is? Then in the lines highlighted in blue, what kind of rhythm is created by switching between Spanish and English? And what statement do you think she's making about America by using both of those languages in this poem? So once you have answered those questions, you're going to complete the chart here, running this poem through soapstone. We did one of these together with the Langston Hughes poem during the Pear Deck. And then when you have filled in everything, you are going to go back to classroom, make sure you turn it in to me. If you have any questions or concerns about anything, I will take them tomorrow when I am back on day F.